I Am a Tiger by Karl Newson and Ross Collins. I am a tiger. No, you're not. A tiger is much bigger than you are, and it has a bit more grr. Tigers can be small too. Grr. Not that small, and a tiger has stripes. Some do. This one doesn't. So there, I am a tiger. A tiger can climb a tree, can you? I could climb a tree. I could climb to the moon if I wanted to. Most tigers can. I am a tiger. Go on then, climb to the moon. I can't just now. It's time for my lunch. A tiger hunts for his lunch. Grr, I am a tiger. No, you're not. You're achoo. I'm not achoo. I am a tiger. No, I am a tiger. Ha, ha, ha. You're not a tiger. You're a mouse. Look at your tiny twitchy nose. Look at your little hands and feet. I'll bet you had cheese for breakfast. I am a tiger. I can do this. Can you? What about this? Oh, dear you, sir, are definitely a mouse, and I am a tiger. If I am a mouse, what are they? Furry, stripy, funny-looking face. This is a caterpillar. Long red likes to bounce. This is a balloon. Thin, pointy, hanging in trees. This is a banana. Tiny, colorful, sits on a stick. This is a lollipop. Now I really must be going. My lunch won't catch itself. What a silly old bunch. Gah! I am not a tiger. How could I be so wrong? Look at those teeth, those claws, that tail. It's obvious. I am a crocodile. The end.